Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro was little changed against the dollar. Inflation is strong across the Eurozone, with consumer prices currently at a record 4.9%, well above the 2% target. It's likely that a change of stance may be seen from the ECB when they meet later this week. The oversold British pound remained depressed deep below the 132 level and then consolidated. On Tuesday, very positive data from the British labour market was released ahead of Thursday's Bank of England meeting. The Japanese yen was little changed. The Bank of Japan will probably inject a total of 11 trillion yen into markets to drive down interest rates. Overall, the US dollar index hovered around 96 points. On Friday, US CPI data for November showed that inflation in the US rose to its highest level in the last 40 years. This didn't help gold prices, which still trades in a narrow range below the $1,800 level. The Fed is expected to adopt a more hawkish policy response and hasten its monthly bond buying purchases in an attempt to curb inflation, which exerts short-term pressure on gold. However, gold should benefit from high inflation long-term. US indices retreated on Monday and Tuesday as the new coronavirus variant reaffirmed fears of high stock valuations and possible tightening of monetary policy in the US. Oil prices hovered in a narrow range between $70 to $72 a barrel. The International Energy Agency said the new Omicron coronavirus variant was set to dent global demand recovery, while supplies were set to increase next year. However, OPEC raised its world oil demand forecast for the first quarter of 2022. Output in the largest US shale basin is expected to surge to a record in January, according to the Energy Information Administration. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.